So the TrackManager Thatcham Category 5 stolen vehicle tracking and monitoring system comes with a driver tag which needs to stay with the vehicle or with the owner, so that every time the owner's using the vehicle, it recognises them wirelessly with this tag to acknowledge that it's an authorised movement of the vehicle. If the vehicle moves without the tag, the control centre will get an alert from the vehicle. They will then contact the registered keeper to see whether it's a theft or the keeper's just forgotten their tag. So the tag just stays with the with the owner when they're using the vehicle, really. It's got three little windows there. So if we just briefly push the centre of the tag in, okay, so you get a solid flash there. So solid flash means the tag's currently turned off. So if I need to turn the tag on, so typically you have it turned on all the time. So if we go 3 pushes, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we get a little triple flash there. So now that's the tag turned on. So if I again just briefly push it to check the status, just a brief push there, you see we get a triple flash there. So that tells me the tag's on. So all the time you get a, when you push it once, you get a flash like that. That means the tag's turned on, and the tag should behave as it needs to behave for everyday operation of your Thatcham Category 5 tracking and monitoring system.